Understanding steamed clams in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic: steamed clams. This phrase isn't just about food. It's a window into English language and culture. Whether you're an English learner or a culinary enthusiast, this video is for you. Steamed clams are a popular seafood dish. The clams are cooked using steam, which makes them tender and brings out their natural flavor. They are often served with butter, garlic, and sometimes a splash of white wine. This dish is particularly common in coastal regions, especially where clams are freshly harvested. In many English-speaking countries, particularly the United States, steamed clams are a part of traditional seaside cuisine. They're often associated with casual dining and summer beach outings. This dish also appears in various festivals and gatherings, symbolizing a communal and relaxed dining experience. The phrase, steamed clams, can be straightforward, but it's also used metaphorically. In English, food phrases often take on figurative meanings. For example, if someone says, "This party is as fun as a pot of steamed clams," they're implying that the event is enjoyable and lively, much like a communal meal of clams. For those interested in culinary aspects, preparing steamed clams is simple yet requires care. Fresh clams should be thoroughly cleaned to remove sand. Steaming them just until they open ensures they're tender and not overcooked. Remember, the key to delicious steamed clams is in their freshness and minimal cooking time. I hope this video has enhanced your understanding of steamed clams, both as a dish and a cultural element in English-speaking countries. It's more than just food, it's a part of language and lifestyle. Enjoy your language learning journey and maybe even try cooking some steamed clams yourself.